Hey everyone, it's Sal from Essentage, Tucson's premier accounting firm. Wanted to do a short video for those folks that have recently applied for unemployment benefits. Now there's a lot of you out there that may have never applied for and received unemployment benefits, but because of this pandemic, you found yourself going and getting unemployment benefits, and you probably are starting to receive those funds. One question you might have about these funds is, because it's different than a payroll check, is it taxed any differently when you receive unemployment benefits versus a payroll check? So the short answer is yes, unemployment benefits are taxable. As a matter of fact, they're taxed just like any other wage, meaning they're going to be taxed very similar to your payroll check. However, there are some differences that I want to go over with you now. So the primary difference with respect to taxes on unemployment compensation or unemployment benefits are related to Social Security and Medicare taxes. So typically when you work a job and you're getting a payroll check, you'll always see Social Security and Medicare taxes being withheld from your check. So those taxes, Social Security and Medicare taxes, you will not see being deducted from your unemployment benefits. However, what you will potentially see are federal and state income taxes being withheld. Now, when you're employed and you're working for a company, when you start working at that company, you fill out what is called a W-4 for the federal withheld amount, and potentially, depending on your state, there's a state form so that you can fill out and determine how much will be withheld for your state taxes. So those are related to income tax withheld amounts. So you're withholding money from your check in order to pay income taxes at the end of the year, or to have at least enough money withheld so that you're not stuck with a big tax bill at the end of the year. But I want to caution everyone, here's the thing about income taxes being withheld. Some states do it automatically, okay, while others do not, meaning you would need to electively opt in to have income tax withheld from your unemployment benefits, both federal and state. So be careful about that, because not all states will automatically withhold your income tax amounts for both federal and state. And you may need to actually fill out some forms or go ahead and electively opt in to have those funds withheld from your check. I'd like to remind everyone again that you're probably hearing out there that there are no taxes taken out from unemployment benefits. And to a certain extent that's true. With respect to Social Security and Medicare taxes, those are not being taken out of your unemployment benefits. However, depending on your state and depending on your particular situation, you should be having some income tax withheld for both federal and state taxes. So here's what I would recommend. If you're already receiving any unemployment benefits, take a look at that check stub or any information that's provided as to how much money you're receiving, or really what that net amount is that you're getting deposited into your bank account. Take a look, make sure that there is some income tax being withheld both at the federal and state level. Because, guys, I really don't want to see you get stuck with a big tax bill at the end of the year because you heard, a rumor that there are no taxes applicable to unemployment benefits, but the reality is that's only for a certain piece that you would normally have paid when you're working for an employer, and those are automatically coming out of your check. Now, with unemployment benefits, those are not automatically coming out, meaning Social Security and Medicare, because they're not applicable. However, income tax is still applicable. So take a look at that. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Also, make sure to subscribe to our channel to get all of this valuable information. We're trying to keep you up to date on the ever-changing environment, in this pandemic. And things are happening so quickly, but we're really trying to keep up with all the issues and all the questions that are coming up. So stay tuned and subscribe to our channel.